Express. Express is a framework to create a backend server. You can build everything from static content server to RESTful API till full model view controller framework. Express can receive requests from the frontend and return a response back to the frontend. Express can also communicate with the database. The two important concepts in Express to handle user requests are middleware and routing. A middleware is like doing a check. For example, if the front end sends a request to the Express server, the server will do some check first before going to the main task. For example, he can check if the user is logged in. You can add many middleware as you need it before going to the main task. Middleware can perform the following tasks: execute any code, making changes to the request, call the next middleware, and ending the request response cycle. The route is sending the request to the right URL path. When the request passes the middleware, then the request will be directed to the right path. The server can get, post, update and delete data.